Hey dude, check this out. This is the game the ESRB had to make a whole new rating for. Oh really? Let me see.
It's like nothing you've ever seen. It's nothing you've ever wanted to see. It's Gears of Halo Theft Auto 5.
What?
Gears of Halo Theft Auto 5.
That sounds cool!
You bet it is, and we've ensured nothing can be more emotionally disturbing than this game.
Cool!
This game is full of so much explicit content, it's been rated J.O.
J.O.?
Jesus only.
That's sick!
And you thought Gears of Halo Theft Auto 4 was bad. This game was so disturbing, half the ESRB chairman committed suicide on the spot.
Why?
Most of them couldn't stand stabbing a nun in the face with a number 2 pencil.
What a bunch of pussies!
And that's just level 1.
What's the background story?
You're an ex-zookeeper who's tired of taking everyone's shit, and the only way you can get what you want is through excessive provocative behavior.
Me!
Choose from 4 different professions.
Like what?
Crazy crack dealer, bloodthirsty pimp, corrupt politician, or drunk serial killer.
Corrupt politician? That sounds lame.
What? Make big budget decisions, steal tax money, even turn off the power for the orphanages. What are they gonna do? Tell their parents?
Whoa, sweet!
This sandbox game lets you do anything, and we mean anything. What other game can you beat your dog into a coma, take a dump in a urinal, then have unrestrained, shameless sex with your boss's mother?
Nothing!
That's right, Jimmy. Here's a clip of gameplay. This character's a pimp trying to get money from his fat bitch. Hey, fat bitch, where's my money?
Money, I don't got your money. I don't even know where it is.
Dumb bitch doesn't have his money. Now this is where you can make decisions that impact the rest of the story. You can choose A. Right hook, B. Abandon her child, C. Kill her boyfriend, or D. Push her out a window. Aha, looks like he's chosen secret option E. All of the above. Sorry, little baby, hope you like growing up on the streets. Hey, you that fat bitch's boyfriend?
Yeah, but...
That's the kind of kick-ass gameplay we aim for.
Hells yeah!
This game has already been banned in 43 different countries, and it hasn't even been released yet. We're up to our tits in controversy, and that's how we like it.
Awesome!
Unless you're Jesus, this game will most likely make you swallow your own head. Guaranteed.
How much does it cost?
It's easy, either sacrifice a goat and sell your soul to Satan, or B, watch the movie Spider-Man 3.
Spider-Man 3, that movie was horrible!
That movie gave me chronic diarrhea.
What a piece of crap!
You said it, Jimmy.
Is there any multiplayer?
Yes, why enjoy genocide alone when you can play online co-op with up to 3 other friends?
Cool!
You and your friends can take turns setting neighborhood cats on fire, harming the elderly, and even traffic black tar heroin.
That sounds like fun!
It sure as hell is, Jimmy, so reserve your copy of Gears of Halo Theft Auto 5 today!